With that, we move to the very first category in the FinTech Award, the best global use of FinTech. Ladies and gentlemen, the best global use of AI in FinTech, and the winner is Alpha Bank. The next category on your screen, the best customer experience solution. Under this, the nominees are Cashrish, Kotak Cherry, and Jaypal.ai. The winner among the three, Kotak Cherry. The next category in the FinTech Awards, the best digital lending solution, and in this the nominees are Finflux by M2P, GNR Management Resources, and Paytm CreditMate. And the winner is Paytm CreditMate. The next category is Inspiring FinTech Company of the Year. So the three nominees, Credgenics, Roynet Solution, Kotak Cherry. And the winner, Credgenics, ladies and gentlemen, the winner, Inspiring FinTech Company of the Year. The next category is Best FinTech Startup. And among them in this category, the three nominees, Dhan, CredOrbit Technologies, and Finara. Winner is Finara. Finara, ladies and gentlemen. The next category is Best Fraud Prevention Platform. The nominees are Wibmo, a PayU company, Securitech IT Solution, and M2P FinTech. The winner is Wibmo, a PayU company. The best use of AI in FinTech, and the nominees under it are Go Digit General Insurance, Insurance Deco, and Data Ease Systems. The winner is Insurance Deco. The best use of blockchain in FinTech, that's the next category. And the nominees under it are TimeChain Labs, Verismart.ai, and Whirl. The winner is Whirl, making the best use of blockchain in FinTech. The women leader in FinTech, we had in fact two sessions, we had women in technology and how they are making a difference. Herein we recognize, and we have the nominees here. Aditi Mittal, the co-founder of India Bonds, Pallavi Srivastava, the co-founder and director of ProCap, and Shobhana Uthya Shankar, the founder of Finara Group. And the winner, ladies and gentlemen, is Pallavi Srivastava, the co-founder and director of ProCap. Moving on to the next category, next award, Excellence in InsurTech. And the nominees under it, Bima Plan, Go Digit General Insurance, and Insurance Deco. And the winner among the three, Go Digit General Insurance. The next category is FinTech for Financial Inclusion, and the nominees are Pioneer, Credible, Manipal Business Solutions. And the winner among them, pioneer, ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the FinTech for Financial Inclusion Award. The next category is FinTech Product of the Year. The nominees are Rise with Protean, Credit Line on UPI by M2P FinTech, and Eloka by Echo. The winner, ladies and gentlemen, is Eloka by Echo, FinTech Product of the Year. The next category, ladies and gentlemen, time to be recognizing the best FinTech leader and the nominees. Sameer Mathur, the Managing Director and Co-founder of Roynet Solution Private Limited. Suresh Sethi, the Managing Director and CEO of Protean eGov Technologies Limited. And Mr. Madhusudan R, the co-founder of M2P FinTech. Three outstanding people. A round of applause for them before I invite the winner here. And the winner, ladies and gentlemen, is Sameer Mathur, Managing Director and Co-founder of Roynet Solution Private Limited. The next category, ladies and gentlemen, is Excellence in FinTech, and the winner here is Act 21 Software Private Limited. As we present this last award of FinTech and further awards, I would like to invite Ms. Chandrika Behel, the Managing Director of Exhibitions India Group, and Mr. Dhruv Behel, the Director Exhibitions India Group, along with Ms. Dhanalakshmi ma'am, in presenting this award. So ladies and gentlemen, the global leader in FinTech is Alpha Bank. Alpha Bank, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to extend a special appreciation by presenting the special certificate of appreciation to Russian Export Center. Many congratulations and appreciation to the Russian Export Center. And ladies and gentlemen, the last of the award, this is an award which is so very dear to the EI group, for their emotions which are attached to this. For it is instituted in the name of the founder of EI group, who has given such a strong foundation, and taking his legacy forward have been Mr. Dhruv Behel and Chandrika Behel. That's the Prem Behel Excellence Award, instituted in the honor and the memory of late chairman of EI Group, Shri Prem Behel, who always championed innovation and entrepreneurial spirit. So as I said, this award stands very dear to us.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us. As our wonderful host said, our late chairman, whose award this is in memory of, believed in the entrepreneurial spirit. And I had the opportunity earlier today of having a conversation with the very innovative entrepreneur behind the award today, or the winner of the award today. And it gives me great pleasure to announce Fuselage Innovation as the winner of the Prem Behel Excellence Award.